Hey, what's up, crypto fam? If you're tuning into this video right now, you're probably staring at your screen like I am, heart racing, wondering if XRP is about to launch us all to the moon or drag us back to the Stone Age. Look at this beast of a chart, straight fire from Binance, time-stamped right in the heat of November 2025 action. We're talking XRP USD trading at $2.3113, down a gut punch 4.8% in the last 24 hours, with a wild volume spike of 282.9 million XRP and 655.2 million USDT flipping hands. That's not just noise, that's the market breathing heavy. Folks, big money moving in the shadows, while retail traders like us sweat the dips. Zoom in on that main candlestick panel, and it's like watching a thriller movie unfold. Those red candles, yeah, they're dominating the last few sessions, painting a picture of sellers piling on like it's Black Friday at a crypto exchange. But hold up, don't smash that sell button yet. Check out the EMAs snaking across the top. The 7 period at $2.3279, 25 at $2.375, all the way to the 200 at $2.4778. XRP's hugging that 50 EMA like a lifeline, around $2.3799. Bouncing off it just enough to tease us with a potential reversal. And those Bollinger Bands, they're squeezing tight like a coiled spring. The price is smack in the middle. Volatility on lockdown. But that lower band at $2.065 is screaming oversold territory. One solid green candle, and boom, we could explode upward toward the upper band at $2.403. This isn't random, it's the setup for a breakout, especially with that SAR flipping bullish dots below the price like it's whispering. Buy the fear, sell the greed. Drop your eyes to the volume bars at the bottom. 74 million units traded, with that MA5 at 43.9 million holding steady. It's not flooding out, it's building. Whales are accumulating quietly while the FUD hits the headlines. Now feast on the RSI, sitting pretty at 39.62 on a 14 period, deep in the green for bears, but flirting with that 30 oversold line. It's like XRP's RSI is yelling, I'm exhausted from this dump, time to flip. And don't sleep on the MACD histogram down below, negative at -0.0184, with the signal line crossing bearish, but that DIF at -0.0229, and DEA at -0.045. They're flattening out, hinting at momentum shifting. The zero line's right there, taunting us. If that histogram flips positive, we're talking rocket fuel. This chart's got that raw, unfiltered energy, the kind that keeps you glued to TradingView at 3 a.m. Coffee in one hand, prayers in the other. It's not a straight-up bull trap or a death spiral. It's the messy, beautiful reality of crypto in 2025. XRP's been on a tear this year, up over 300% from last November's lows, fueled by Ripple's stablecoin launch, Japanese banks going all in on XRP for cross-border payments, and that SEC drama finally cooling off with ETF filings, stacking up like pancakes. The government's shutdown drama delayed things. But with approvals looming mid-November, institutional cash is circling like sharks. Bitcoin's chilling above $106K, ethereum steady at $3,200, alt seasons whispering, and XRP's primed to ride the wave. Price prediction, where's XRP headed next? All right, let's cut the fluff. What's the play? Short term, over the next 7-10 days, I'm eyeing a gritty rebound to $2.70. $2.85 if we hold that $2.35 support like our lives depend on it. Why, that RSI bounce, combined with ETF hype-building steam, could spark a 10 to 15% pop by Thanksgiving. But if we crack below $2.20, watch out. Could test $2 in a flash, shaking out the weak hands by end of November. Bull case, $2.90, $3.20, fueled by Canary Capital's ETF green light and whale buys pushing us past resistance. Bear case, stuck range-bound at $2.40, $2.55 if macro fears, hello. Fed rate cut delays bite harder. Zoom out to year-end 2025. This is where it gets juicy for us Yanks. Regulatory clarity under the new SEC vibes, plus Ripple Prime volumes exploding, could catapult XRP to $3.75, $5. Imagine 5,000 XRP at today's dip turning into $25K by December. That's the kind of asymmetric upside that makes hodling feel like a superpower. But real talk, crypto's volatile AF. This ain't financial advice, DYOR. Stack sats wisely, and maybe diversify with some BTC hedges. What do you think, squad? Is XRP mooning to $5 by Christmas? Or are we in for more chop? Drop your predictions in the comments. Smash that like if this fired you up. Subscribe for daily crypto breakdowns. And hit the bell so you never miss the next pump. Let's make 2025 the year we laugh at these dips. Peace out.